Hi everyone, today we are drawing Sonic X Shadow Generations step by step. This drawing is easy and fun. Grab your marker and paper and let's start drawing. Draw a very small curved line. It looks like a tiny W or a soft wave. From the left side of this line, draw a long curved line going up and out. Now draw the same curved line on the right side. On the right side, draw a curved shape going down. This will start the first eye shape. Now draw the same eye shape on the left side. Under the center, draw a small circle. This is a tiny nose. Inside each eye, draw a small shape for the pupil. Under the nose, draw a short curved line. This will be the mouth. Draw a small dot. Now draw a curved line from the right eye to this dot. Draw another line on the left side. Above the right eye, draw a curved line. This is the eyebrow. Draw the same eyebrow above the left eye. Add small lines between the eyebrows. Above the face, draw a short vertical line. From this line, draw a sharp angled line to the left. This finishes the first ear. Now draw a sharp angled line on the right side. This is the second ear. Inside the right ear, draw a small triangle. Draw the same small triangle inside the left ear. Connect the top of the head with two curved lines like this. On the right side of the head, draw a sharp, spiky shape. Do the same on the left side. Add another curved and spiky line on the right side, and another one on the left. Under the head, draw a short zigzag line. This is the start of the chest fur. Finish it with small sharp lines. From the neck fur, draw a long curved line going down. This is one side of the body. Draw another long curved line on the other side. At the bottom, draw a short curved line. This shows where the legs will start. Draw a long straight line going down for the first leg. Draw a second long line next to it and finish the leg. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Draw shoulders on both sides. Add a rounded shape for the hand on the right side. Keep it simple and cartoon style. Draw the fingers using small curved lines. Do not add too many details. Finish the arm with two simple lines. Now draw the thumb on the left side and finish the hand with the same small curved lines, like you did with the left one. Finish the left arm with two lines. Adjust if needed. Time for the legs. Draw two half circles like I show. Next, draw two very small lines for the shoes on both sides. Connect the upper part of the shoes. Next, let's draw the right shoe. Draw a simple line like this on the right and another one like this on the left. Repeat the same for the second shoe. Next, draw two wavy lines to make the upper part of the soles. Continue drawing the shoes like I show. Now color Sonic's body black with a thick marker. Draw shapes like I show on the head and continue coloring with black. Color the face as well. Now color the eyes with red, as well as top spike on the head, the small spikes on both sides of the head, the wrist rings on both arms, and the shoe details, lines, and soles. Finish coloring face and ears and add shadows if you want. Awesome job! If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe. See you in the next drawing video. Bye!